Alright, let's be honest. Console graphics in 2025 actually looks fine. This is until you see what the same game you are playing on the console looks like on PC. Then suddenly, that next gen console you see so high doesn't feel so next gen anymore. This is because console graphics are trash. Here is why PC always wins. Consoles are stuck with fixed hardware. That means no upgrades, no new GPUs, and no magic settings boost. What you buy is what you get for 7 or 8 years. Meanwhile, PC gamers keep upgrading and games scale beautifully with better hardware. On PC, you get higher resolution, better textures, more stable frame rates, and technologies like ray tracing, DLSS, and FSR that make even older GPUs perform like new. Consoles might call it performance mode, but let's be real, dropping from 4K to 1440p just to hit 60 FPS isn't performance, it's compromise. PC gaming isn't just about power, it's about freedom. You can tweak every detail, overclock, install mods, and even use reshape filters to make your game look cinematic. Consoles, you get what the developers give you. PCs lets you decide what your game looks and runs like. Now, don't get me wrong, consoles do have their place. Plug it in, pick up a controller, and you are gaming. No setup, no drivers, no tinkering, and the price way cheaper than a high-end PC. But performance, visuals, and long-term value take the hit. The harsh truth is, when a new console launches, it's already behind. PCs move fast, and within a year, mid-range gaming rigs are outperforming consoles easily. That is why consoles age, PCs evolve. So yeah, console graphics are not just weaker, they are locked in time. PC gaming keeps pushing forward, and the gap is only getting wider. If you want the best visuals, the smoothest gameplay, and total control, the choice is simple. PC gaming wins. Period.